What's up YouTube? Today we're reviewing the NG300 104 metal key mechanical gaming keyboard by YCCTEAM. Aside from the back and internal components, everything else is all metal. Out of the box you get a warranty card written in Chinese and a piece of paper that tells you how to reprogram the lights and how it works. The USB is gold plated and the wiring is some sort of nylon material which is very durable. And I know I've already mentioned this before, but all 104 keys of this keyboard is completely metal, and this is just insane. So if for some reason you lose a game and you want to throw something, throw this. This will not break. As I've already mentioned before, the back is plastic with a white finish, and all 104 keys have LED lights with a feature that allows you to reprogram the light simulations. Figuring out the light mode from the instruction manual included was a little bit confusing, but once you get it, it's fairly simple. Function key plus the page up button turns on the lights while the page down turns it off. The brightness can also be changed with the function and the up arrow or down arrow, and you also have the function to change the animation speeds with the left and right arrow. And finally, you can change the type of animation you want with the function plus the insert key or the delete key. The function plus the delete key specializes more in special games like the FPS and MMO, and only certain keys are lighted up for that game. And if for some reason you don't like the animation it currently has, it does have the function to record your own animation, and it'll play just like how you want it to. And just a note, when I was playing CSGO on this, the mechanical interface was really smooth. So if you're looking for a very nice and stylish keyboard with a very durable structure, this keyboard is worth noticing if you don't mind the $130 price point it's currently going on Amazon. And that's it for my review. Until next time, have an awesome day.